show you guys what I'm gonna unbox it. So let's start the unboxing now. So let's start it. So let me keep this one to a side. Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This is me, your Praveen K vlog. So today we are gonna do an unboxing. You would have got to know by the title itself. If not, this is the package which we are gonna do. Show you guys what I'm gonna unbox it. So catch you guys directly in the video. So let's start the unboxing now. So this is the product which I'm gonna do. As you can see, AGS. The one which I'm gonna unbox is AGS, this package. And I would like to tell them the packing of this is really good, bubble wrapped, and it was like secured completely. Pretty good delivery which I have got from AGS, but from professional couriers it is not up to the mark. So let's start the unboxing of this. I'm eagerly waiting to do. So let's start it. So this is the product which which I have bought for myself. This is AGS SG5 Intercom, Bluetooth intercom it is. The price of it, you can see it over here. I didn't get any discounts for this. So let's open it and let's see. So I'll show you what all are there in this. So this is how the product looks. You can see this. So this is the brand. This is how it looks inside. And let's start the unboxing now. I like this color, dude. Black one, complete black. There you get AGS logo. You get 2 stickers with it. Let me open the box now. So this is the product over here. So this is the product, guys. This is how it looks. You get antenna over here. So let me keep this one to a side and let's see what we have in over here. We get a good mic, sponges and some fittings. We get earphones and the holder for intercom mount. So let me keep this one to a side. And then we got an extra pair of mics. If you do not want to use this, you can use this, which will be like ideal and good. So they have given 2 mics. Cool, not bad. And what we else here? Empty box and user manual. We need more because how to fix all that. So let me show you guys what all I have got now. So I'll show you guys what all I have got in this box. So this is the product, guys. There's some rubber kind of stuff on the top, which the feel is good, really good, and this rotatable button, and there's a button over here, and there's a button over here. I don't know why all this, and there's a charging port over here. And one good thing of this intercom is you can charge it while you're on when you're using it. The one which I saw was Sena's was like too expensive from my end. I wasn't ready to invest such a big amount. And this intercom can pair with Sena as well, but the quality will drop, but still you can pair with Sena. So that is what pulled me to this brand, ASG brand. So these are the things which I have got from the AGS intercom, guys. The main intercom itself, 2 mics and 2 stickers, earphones, mount, and there's a clip, and the to place the ear pouch, whatever you can call it. And I have no idea what is it. Need to check it. So which comes like this something. So no idea what it is. So I'll show you guys once I install all that. So my next video will be on this installation. So do check my next video as well, which will be the next vlog. Check it out as well. And if you like this video, you know what to do. Do hit the like button, and if you like this video, do share it with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, so that means a lot to me. So yeah, next video, installation of intercom on my helmet. So yeah, catch you guys in the next video guys then. Peace out.